Hey everybody, it's Holly. Now I've always wanted to do a clean with me video, and today is the day. It's a new year, time to get organized, time to clean things up. And so today I'm gonna do a clean with me video of how I clean my hardwood floors. Now, ever since moving into our house, I adore our hardwood floors. They're hardwood, they're wide, they're dark, they look fantastic. And we get a ton of compliments on our hardwood floors. But they don't always look great on accident. It's because I pay a lot of attention to them. I mean, with 3 kids, a dog, and a husband, they need a lot of cleaning. So today I'm gonna show you how I go about keeping my hardwood floors looking fantastic. So let's get started. Now when it's time to clean the floor, the first thing I do is I lock the family out of the house. That's right, I can't clean when they're bringing more dirt in, so they get locked out until we're done cleaning. Now the next thing I do is I vacuum or I dust mop the hardwood floors to get all of the big dirt cleaned up. Now the last thing I do to clean my hardwood floors is to mop them, and that is where the Bona Premium Spray Mop comes in. This thing is fantastic. Now first of all, I've used Bona on my hardwood floors for as long as I've had hardwood floors, but this new spray mop is fantastic. First of all, it has a cartridge right here of a water-based cleaning solution, which is fantastic. It's refillable. It also comes with a machine washable microfiber removable pad for cleaning. I can put it right in the wash machine, which is fantastic. It gives off a light mist of this water-based cleaning solution, so it doesn't oversaturate my floors, but it still is very easy to clean them. This is lightweight. I love that it has a nice handle, so it's easy to maneuver, and this is where you spray the solution. So I think it's time to get started. Now I wanted to take a quick break to tell you some more things that I love about this spray mop. First of all, I love these gray bumpers right here. They're flexible, so it protects my molding, my furniture, and my built-ins. Also, it's really easy to change out the cleaning fluid and refill it. This container just pops right in, so easy. Also, I love the fact that the microfiber pad is really large. That cuts down on your cleaning time. Anything that cuts down on cleaning time is a win in my book. Also, there is a pop-out hook right here, so I can hang it when I am finished, which is fantastic. And this is much safer than using a steam mop. So let's get back to cleaning. So there you go, guys, we are done. That was a super fun clean with me video. It's always better when you're cleaning with somebody, so that's why I brought you guys along. So that is how I keep my hardwood floors looking fantastic year-round thanks to the Bona Premium Spray Mop. Just makes it so much easier. So guys, leave me a comment. Let me know what is the hardest thing to clean in your house and what makes it easier. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. Also, don't forget to thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Holly from Baby Gizmo. Bye guys.